In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Yahoo Mail username. Before we begin, a quick note on what we're changing. In Yahoo Mail, this username is the display name that appears in the from line when you send emails. It's not the actual email address or Yahoo ID. The email address itself usually can't be changed without creating a new account, but your display name is easy to update and is what people see first in their inbox. Start by opening your web browser and going to yahoo.com. At the top right, click sign in and sign into your account. Make sure you're on the official Yahoo site and look for the padlock in the address bar for security. Once you're signed in, click the mail icon at the top right to open your Yahoo Mail inbox. Inside your inbox, go to the upper right corner and click the settings gear. A quick panel will open on the right. From there, select more settings to open the full settings page, which gives you access to your mailbox details. On the left side, you'll see the mailboxes section. Click that, then select your email address from the list. On the right, you'll see a section labeled name or your name. This field controls how your name appears to recipients. Click into that field and type the name you want others to see, whether that's your full name, a business name, or a variation that feels right for you. Keep it clear and professional and use proper capitalization. Avoid special characters that might not display correctly for all recipients. When you're happy with your changes, click Save to apply them. If you don't immediately see the Save button, scroll within the settings panel. It may be near the bottom. After saving, it's a good idea to send a quick test email to yourself or to another address you can check. Look at the from line to confirm your new display name appears as expected. If it doesn't update right away, refresh the page or sign out and back in. Sometimes it can take a moment to propagate across devices. If you primarily use Yahoo Mail on your phone, the layout may look different. Updating the display name from the desktop site is often the most reliable method, and your changes will carry over to the app. That's all there is to it. You've updated the name people see when you email them, making your messages look consistent and professional. If this helped, feel free to revisit these steps anytime you want to tweak your display name again.